Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. I created a half cut crease. I used about 3 eyeshadows and some glitter. If you guys are interested in learning how to achieve this bomb ass cut crease, please keep on watching. Thank you so much. Today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look and incorporate glitter. So this is what I came up with. I did a very dramatic wing, which I thought it wasn't gonna come out good because, you know, eyeliner over glitter is sometimes kind of hard, especially if you're using gel. So this is gel liner. You will see how I do this other eye in a second. So first I am going to apply concealer to the eyelid to act as a primer. My eyes burn so bad because foundation, se me cayó foundation adentro de mi eye and it burns so bad. Like, so if you see me squinting like this, it's because my eyes burn. I used my NYX Ultimate shadow palette in the color Brights. It's this little colorful palette here that I used in my previous video as well. I'm not going to set this concealer. Taking my Morphe M502 blending brush, I'm first gonna go with this lavender shade here and then start blending this shadow. This is the shade that you can bring all the way up. I wish I had like different colors, different colored cat ears. These were the only ones that I found. Well, I wasn't really looking for any. I was just at the store and then I saw them and I was like, ugh, I need those. You see how red my eye is? They hurt so bad. Right, so I'm applying my transition shade about 4 to 5 times until I like the intensity of that shade. Alright, so for the second shade, I'm taking my Morphe M505 and then I will be picking up this magenta color up here. This is so pretty. It's like a really hot pink shade. Alright, with my MAC 217 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this purple shadow right here. This purple shadow will be right in the outer corner, right here only. I'm not gonna bring this color all the way inside just yet. So lightly, I'm gonna start bringing this purple to the crease. You don't wanna cover the whole pink shadow. The first brush, I'm just gonna go back and blend those two colors together. One last time, I'm gonna go back in and add some more purple. Now I'm gonna go in with my flat brush and some concealer. And then I'm going to do a half cut crease. We're gonna take the MAC 217 again and then start applying some of that purple right here. And then taking my Too Faced glue glitter, I'm going to add some to the inner part of the lid. shade 77. I'm taking this Real Techniques liner brush for my wing. So now that we have some fierce ass wings, for my brows I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the shade Chocolate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and really quickly do this eyebrow. I'm gonna prime the skin. I've already moisturized, if anybody wants to know. My favorite moisturizer that I always use, and this is the only moisturizer that I use. This is the Believe Moisturizing Balm. See, I hate glitter because I don't know if you can see it from that far away, but up close I see a lot of glitter. I'm gonna coat the lashes with mascara. So today I'm using the Huda Beauty eyelashes in the style Samantha number 7. This is what these lashes look like. These eyelashes are so cute, like they're so comfortable. They're not too dramatic, they're perfect. So I applied a little bit of my NYX liquid eyeliner over the band just so it could blend in. This is attempt number 4. For foundation, I will be taking my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear foundation. This is in the shade 3C1 Dune. Hopefully this is my shade. Praying to the Lord. This is my shade because I'm not going back to Sephora anymore. To buff in the foundation, I'm taking my Sigma F82 Kabuki brush. Okay, this looks like my shade. Y'all, this is my perfect shade. Perfect. This is really, really nice. I absolutely love the coverage. I only use 2 pumps for my whole entire face. Let me tell you that I think I was really obsessed over that Fenty foundation, but I would have to wear this foundation at least for a week so I can have, you know, my final thought. But honestly, right now it's wearing really, really pretty. It doesn't feel cakey at all whatsoever. But then, you know, I don't know after a few hours how it's going to wear. For concealer, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. And then I'm just gonna set that under eye area with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Alright, so to bronze the face today, I'm going in with my Laura Geller baked bronzer. This is a water resistant matte bronzer in the shade Medium. I think I got it last week, and let me tell you that this is a really nice bronzer. For blush, I'm taking my Tarte Fearless blush, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Morphe setting mist. Taking my pencil brush. I think I'm only gonna take this magenta color right here. I can't live without an inner corner highlight. This is just like the signature. For highlighter, I'm going in with this Laura Geller baked highlighter. This is called Dulce de Leche. L'Oreal Infallible Matte Paint. This is in the shade 342, and I'm just gonna go in with a nude lip liner. On top of this lip combo, I'm also gonna go in with the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. It's just like a pink nude. So this is the final look. Super dramatic Valentine's Day makeup look. Alright you guys, so this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I love how this eye look came out. I really like this Laura Mercier foundation as well. So I'm gonna keep on trying it for the rest of the week and see, and then I'll update you guys in my next video on what my thoughts are for this foundation. So far, I love it. I don't know if I like it more than the Fenty foundation though. I don't know yet, but I'll let y'all know in my next video because that should be a week from today. So it will give me enough time to try it out. Okay. Oh, one more thing. I'm in the search for some more liquid eyeliners. So if you guys know of any liquid eyeliners that are your favorites, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Moment of silence. We need to take a second here. That's it. Thank you.